Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from OneXBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in OneXBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXBet apps on screen, where you can see menu option just down below at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and you can see setting option at top right corner. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the settings section, where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find logout of account. Once you click on it, just simply click on logout and you'll be able to log out from OneXBet app successfully. So basically this is how you can log out of OneXBet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.